In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Teachable course. By the end, you'll know exactly where to upload or embed your video, how to fine-tune its settings, and how to make it available to your students with confidence. Start by logging into your Teachable school and heading to your admin area. From the left-hand menu, open Courses, select the course you want to edit, and switch to the Curriculum tab. This is where all your lessons, sometimes called lectures, live. You can choose an existing lesson if you're updating content, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Either way, open the lesson editor to get to the content area. Inside the lesson editor, click Add Content and select the video block. This is the dedicated space where your video will live. You'll see two paths. If you already have a video file on your computer, choose Upload. Teachable supports common formats like .mp4, .mov, and .avi. For the smoothest playback and smaller file sizes, .mp4 with standard encoding is usually the most reliable. After you select your file, give it a moment to process. Larger files can take longer, so it's normal to wait while the platform prepares the video. If your video is hosted elsewhere, toggle to Embed and paste the link from a trusted platform like YouTube or Vimeo. Make sure the video's privacy settings allow it to play inside your course. Unlisted or public links typically work best, while private links may not display for students. Once your video is in place, click the gear icon on the video block to adjust settings. Add a custom thumbnail to make your lesson look polished in the curriculum and entice students to click. You can also upload subtitles or captions using .srt or .vtt files. Captions improve accessibility, help with searchability, and support learners in noisy or quiet environments. If you have multiple languages, name your files clearly so you can keep them organized. There's also an option to show a download link if you want students to keep a local copy. Only enable this if downloading aligns with your course policy. Keep in mind, depending on your Teachable plan, features like auto-generated subtitles may incur additional costs. When you're happy with everything, click Save to keep your changes. If the lesson isn't visible yet, publish it so students can access the video. It's a good idea to preview the lesson to confirm the video plays correctly and the thumbnail and captions look right. That's it. Your video is now part of your Teachable course and ready for learners.